Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can export videos in CapCut PC or laptop. So if you just finished your editing in CapCut and you want to export like a pro, in this tutorial I'll walk you through the exact steps to export high quality videos from CapCut on your computer. So once you're done, you can just tap on export at the top. Okay, so once you are clicking on the export option, this export menu will show up. Now you can choose the file path to export the project to, and here to make it HD you can set the resolution yourself by clicking on this drop down. You can go with 1080p, 2K or 4K for a high definition video. So yeah, I'm going to go with 4K, and here you can adjust the bitrate. I'm going to just go with recommended. You can adjust the codec, format, and also the frame rate. And once you're done, you can just tap on export. And once you do that, your videos will automatically save to your computer library. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, drop a comment if you want more CapCut tips, and also subscribe and click on the thanks. Bye.